Hello guys, in this video we're gonna talk about Sol Trading Bot right here. So it's called soltradingbot.com and you'll be able to open it right here. So go to the TG bot and then basically you will have to sign in with your own Telegram and then press start and then you'll be able to create your own wallet. Of course, it's gonna direct you on how. I'm not gonna teach you anymore how to do that since it will teach you. Here you can buy and sell. Basically just place the contact address right here. You can do token sniping right here. So just place the contact address also here. So buy and sell works is just pretty simple. You will have your price on how much you want to buy and your actual bribe fee and your slippage fee. It's just that simple. So next is you have your sniper for pump fun and moonshot. I won't discuss any more of those. You have limit orders, so if you want to buy at a lower price or a higher price, you can do so. You have DCA orders for larger orders right here. You can place how much you have right here. So let's just exit those right now. And then here's your profile and your wallets, your trades, your copy trading, and your referral system. So you can use my referrals right here. So you can get started right here. So for no more fees, you'll get less fees. So I will leave this down in the description down below so that you'll be able to use this without any bigger fees. So here in your settings, you want to go ahead and check out your auto buy if you have one. So I would not on your auto buy. So here you have your JIP tip for Jiro. So this is going to be for your MEV. So if you want not to get MEV, just place it on high right here. Priority fee, auto enable, just place it on high. So if you're going to go with scalping and really volatile trades, you go with super right here. And next is your other tips for your sniper right here, or slippage for sniper 1,000. That's pretty bad. So I'll only set my slippage only up to 100 if it's scalping. So if you want anti-meb, you can also do that. And salt snipe, I wouldn't really go with those. So the only important ones are right here, and your turbo tip Gito is auto enabled. That's it. That's all you have to do basically. So there you go, guys. It's just pretty easy to actually use this. So you can deposit into this wallet if you want to. I don't really mind. So it's gonna teach you on how already. It's self-explanatory basically on using the Sol Trading Bot. So there you go, guys. That's how you use Sol Trading Bot, and see you next time.